Hi, I'm Bernard Mabituin, a unit owner of Kai Gardens in Mandaluyong City. Was able to buy that unit through an agent, Catherine Gomez Ito, who is a very, very reliable agent, I would say. Yeah, I remember first talking with her, about buying a property. She presented everything to me. All the documents that she can show, um, all the all the things that you know about the property. Of course, very very important yun, that you should know the property first, and I was able to no she was able to, let us say, entice me, so really buy that land. She has a very good sales talk skills also, very good communication skills. So now she will really present the property. Other than that, helping me with all the documents and how it will be processed. Oh my God, I don't have a problem with her because she's very into it. Like, she won't let you do it by yourself. So nandyan siya lagi. She always keeps in touch, laging naka-monitor. Oh my God, that's why I like her so much kasi I'm a very busy person, So from time to time talagang lagi siyang naka-ano sa'yo, naka follow up sa'yo. And I like that, because that's the kind of, let us say, that's kind of job that I do also, So I like it. Very smooth transaction. And up to now, na-turn over na sa akin yung unit, So, nandyan pa rin siya, like, checking how may stay in the unit. Actually, I'm renting it out na nga ngayon, But up to that, So, may mga tulong din siya nagagawa on how to connect you also, especially with the, let us say, some agents, some tenants, or even the admin. And other than that, pati yung mga payments, mga processes, and everything. Oh my God, so talagang nakakuha ako ng napakagaling na agent, Ito yung gusto nating ma-feel, So if I would buy another unit na kumbaga siya yung magpe-present sa akin, I think mapapa-oo ka pa rin, because that's the kind of relationship also that you would like to get from an agent like her. So there, So thank you for Catherine, and I'm so happy to have my unit in Kai Gardens. That's all. Thank you so much.